This is Sweet June. How's everybody doing today? Coming at you with another lunch and chats. Today, I have my Subway. Now, I got my new tripod, so now I can have the camera facing this way. So, this is my Subway sandwich. This is a turkey Subway, and I have my guac on here, guacamole, my little mayonnaise, honey mustard. I got tomatoes, cucumbers, some spinach. So it's nice and healthy. I got all my vegetables on here. I have my meat, and I got 9-grain bread. So this is healthy. I got everything I need nutritionally on here. Lunch and chat. How's everybody doing today? I'm hoping everybody is having a blessed day. I'm having a pretty good day. I'm blessed. And I got my little drink. I got the little kid size because it's only 35 calories and 8 grams of sugar. So, got the little kitty size. But I got my water here too. My Ivan water. It's not really Ivan water, but I just reuse the bottle. I carry this everywhere I go. I don't leave home without it. So, show you guys that. Oh, I just love the camera facing me. That's my Subway sandwich. I want to talk about Well, I'm being a little bad. I got chips. I want to talk about this Popeyes chicken thing. They got going on this Popeyes chicken, and I'm hearing stories of black people pulling guns on people. When they're running out of chicken, they're pulling guns on people. I don't understand it. First of all, as black people, we get judged as a whole. And so, when they're doing that stuff, it makes the whole race of black people look bad. My question is what are they putting in those chickens? What are they putting in those chickens that's making black people go crazy like that? I don't know. I don't know if I should eat it because I wonder what they're putting in the chicken that's making black people act like this. I don't know. I just No, it's so good. I don't know. Black people, I've never seen this before in my life. Black people going this crazy over chicken sandwiches. It perpetuates the stereotype that we love chicken. It's terrible. What is going on with our people? We gotta do better, people. We gotta do better. It just makes me wonder, what are they putting in this chicken that's making black people act like this? I don't know what they're putting in the chicken. But it's crazy. I went to the library and I got a book. It's called Toxic Men by Lillian Glass. 10 ways to identify, to deal with, and heal from the men who make your life miserable. I thought that was a good read. I'm gonna read that And I think I'm going to do a book review on it. I do book reviews on here. I don't get a lot of hits on them, but I do them. If you look back in my video archives, you'll see my book reviews. I did one on the Bobby Brown book. That's way back, though. That's way back there. I did one just not a few months ago. I forgot the name of the book. But anyway, it didn't get a lot of hits on it. But I do book reviews. So I'm going to read this book. It seems like a good read. Because I love to read. Toxic Men. And stay tuned because I'm going to come back and do a book review on it. So that's going to be a good read. But yeah, I don't understand what these people are doing with this Popeyes chicken. And they said, I hear they're not going to be available until October. I think the Popeyes here, I think they said it's sold out until October, till next month. So, and black people are going crazy. I got cut off. Oh, okay. I thought I got cut off. Well, I'm going to finish my lunch, and I'm going to go in and get my workout in. Got some more interesting video topics coming up. Please like, subscribe, and share. Hit that notification bell. I'll talk to you later. This is Sweet June.